Here's the leg of a deer I harvested yesterday. This is my first deer and the first time I'm actually doing this, so bear with me, but I'm just kind of taking the membrane off. Ended up getting a little dirty. I did most of the fabrication on the animal in the field, and I had brought paper to put down, like a big butcher paper. That helped a lot, but I'm gonna take some of that membrane off, clean it up nice. You know, I brought these shears with me, and they helped a lot getting up in there and cutting the trachea to skinning the deer. I ended up using the shears a lot. Same deal here, gonna come through. I'm gonna take a bunch of this off. This membrane. Sometimes it helps if you have a dry towel. Grab a hold of this kind of stuff. So some of the meat up here has gotten a bit oxidized. I guess the bags I had it in weren't quite tight enough. So I'm just gonna trim that away. Just a little bit. You can see like the white, the color. You might be able to see that on camera. I guess I could pull some of this silver skin while I'm at it, but I'm gonna wait until I get into the leg, finish this membrane. Just open it up as much as we can. Get the tip in and cut away the center ligaments. These F-Dick knives are pretty tough, they won't chip. So there's your shank. I think we're going to angle the blade in, and we're going to follow that fat line and sort of angle it in, because this nice little chunk right here, I want to keep it intact. This heavily grained stuff over here won't be as tender, and I'll probably end up doing some grinds. Put it in the meat grinder. And this is almost partially frozen. Okay. So you see how I come in at an angle, because that's a natural separation between two muscles here. Right underneath right here is where the actual bone is. You can see the ball of the bone here, and it goes from here to here. So I'm going to follow the bone and just sort of get this off of there. This is slightly frozen. I came home and popped everything in the freezer yesterday. There's our femur bone. Alright, so I've cubed up all of this to nice grindable pieces. Femur bone here, which will make a nice bone broth. Or maybe even just cut both ends off and then do something with the bone marrow that's in there.